guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's a vlog video. In today's video I'll be taking my big son. Yes, a lot of my new subscribers don't know that I have a big son. You guys only know Aiden. Aiden is 5 years old and he's special needs, autistic, but I also have a 13-year-old son. Yeah, he's actually like taller than me. Yeah, and his name is Andy. Well, if you guys are my OG subscriber, you guys would know him from being in the background, because when I first started YouTube, my big son Andy, he was my cameraman. Actually, he made me start YouTube. He made me start making videos and all these things. Yeah, I miss those days, because now he don't video for me now because I have a tripod, a ring light and stuff, but I do miss him. And this weekend here is his birthday, but I won't be able to spend his birthday with him, but I'm gonna be spending the couple days before his birthday. So my plan was to take him out so he can have fun, but it didn't work out that way, because when we went to the place, Aiden wasn't having it. Aiden threw a whole bunch of tantrums, so we couldn't really do that. So all we could do was just like buy things for eat and just take a drive on the seawall, and that was it. So it didn't go as planned, but I hope next year Andy can spend his birthday with me, his brother, and his grandma, and we'll have fun then. But I still have a video here and there for you guys, and if you guys haven't seen Andy before, you guys are gonna see him now. Alright, so I hope you guys like this video, give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers, so let's get that within the next 2 weeks. Can we do it? Yes, we can do it. So subscribe. All right, hope you guys enjoy this simple birthday vlog for my son Andy. Enjoy, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're at Giffland Mall here. Aiden, he being a bad boy. Guys, we came to go to Giffland, but Aiden not behaving himself, so we can't get to go in. Because it's his. Watch it on this top. Hey guys, we came to go to Giffland, but we had to turn back because Aiden don't want to go in Giffland, guys. We came to buy pizza and chicken for his brother because it's his brother's birthday, but Aiden not behaving, so can't get to go there anymore. So probably gonna just go to, what do you want, Andy? KFC or chicken? KFC or pizza? Pizza? Alright guys, so we're gonna head it on a Pizza Hut on Sherry Street instead. I'm sure, see if Ada gonna go in there or not. Hey guys, this is my son Andy. Remember when I first started my video, guys, when I used to say my cameraman? Well, this is Andy, the cameraman. Take off your mask to see you. You shy? Guys, we're celebrating his birthday today, but because of how Aiden behaving, Aiden don't want to go to Giffland. So we came here at Pizza Hut there. Yeah, we came here to buy some pizza and maybe buy some ice cream, and that's about it. Aiden don't want to do anything. He's terrible, guys. Look at him. Look at this boy that's behaving terrible. He look innocent, no? But he's not. For the half pepperoni and half chicken Hawaiian, guys, and 3 drinks. So that's what we're gonna be eating. And then when I finish, I gotta take Andy back by his father. Alright guys, so when we get the pizza, I'm gonna show you guys. So I sent Andy to go and collect the pizza. Should be all done right now, by now. So Andy's coming out. The pizza. Alright guys, so that's the pizza there. So it's half pepperoni and half chicken Hawaiian. Yummy! So we headed now on the SeaWorld. Okay, so we just stopped at Royal Castle here on Ashland Street. So I'm gonna buy a piece chicken here for Aiden. So Andy went in to get it. So Andy got Aiden chicken. So right now we're driving down Milton Street. So we already got our pizza, we got our chicken, we got our drink, water. So we're headed on to the SeaWorld now, guys. Aiden and Andy's are the I love Guyana sign. Aiden, say hi to the subscribers. Say hi. Come in the video, Andy. Come. We see get one. Alright guys, so we're at the I love Guyana sign here. We just took out some pictures. So we're gonna eat our, be careful with them. Yeah. We're gonna eat our pizza now. And you see the sign here guys? I love Guyana sign. Aiden, say hi to the subscribers. Aiden got no time. Come on. Woo. You were a good boy at the picture place, Aiden. You were a good boy. A lot of people waiting to take a picture, guys, so we have to hurry up. Oh, night don't come down. Alright guys, so we just leave the I love Guyana sign. So we're on the seawall. We're probably gonna go and sit by the more of the. So you guys are getting a little tour of the seawall. Normally on a Sunday, here is the ram park, guys. A lot of cars. Here is called the bandstand. Yeah, but here's the bandstand. We got different play stuff, bouncy castle, different stuff for the children. So yeah. We had nice cargo today. The cargo was yesterday, but also for today on Monday. So a lot of people is on the seawall as well.